Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to calculate price reduction in Excel sheet. Suppose you are running a grocery shop and you are selling the products like sugar, honey, salt, chicken. Now, suddenly the price of these products have reduced 15%. So, how do you calculate the new price? Here I have only used 4 items, but it can be many more in your shop. So how do you calculate the new price? So here in cell C2, I have written that 15% of the price has reduced. Now in the column A, I have written the product names, and in the column B, I have mentioned the old price of each products mentioned in column A. Now I am going to calculate the new price. For this, I am going to select the cells from C5 to C8. Now in the formula bar, I am going to write the formula to calculate the new price, which is equal to, then I select B5 plus, then I start first bracket, then again B5 multiplied by $C dollar 2 $C dollar 2, then I close it, and then I press Ctrl Enter, and it shows all the new price together. Please note that the formula must have an absolute reference to cell C2.